This assessment asks us to calculate the oxidation number for the indicated carbon atom. We need to know the number of valence electrons that carbon atom will have in its neutral ground state configuration, and how many electrons it owns in this particular molecule in terms of oxidation number. The carbon atom wants 4 electron in its neutral ground state configuration. There are 3 carbon-hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen is less electronegative than carbon. Carbon's more electronegative than hydrogen. So carbon owns both of the electrons in all of the CH bonds. That would be 6 total electrons between the 3 CH bonds. The other bond is a carbon-carbon bond. Since those atoms have the same electronegativity, each carbon atom owns 1 of the electrons in that bond. So that's an additional 1 electron from the carbon-carbon bond. Combining that with the 6 electrons from the carbon-hydrogen bonds means that it owns 7 electrons in terms of oxidation state. So we take 4 valence shell electrons minus 7 electrons it owns for the purposes of oxidation number, and that means the oxidation number for this carbon is -3. This carbon is at the -3 oxidation state.